Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to see the work from home or the online tutoring jobs, guys. And here any graduate can apply for this one. And even though if you are a fresher or experienced, or else if you are pursuing the graduation or else completed the graduation, then you may apply for this one, guys. And here the salary mentioned as 50,000 rupees per month in the one of the private websites. So I will show you the website which is announcing the recruitment as well as the official website of this online tutoring. So both these two I will show. Okay, anyhow, you please be cautious at the time of applying for these jobs. Why? Because if they are asking any money, then please don't trust such type of online tutoring jobs, guys. Fine. And please don't forget to share this video. Okay, if you once feel good after completion of this video, it will be very much helpful to the candidates who are looking for the part-time jobs or else online tutoring jobs in this pandemic situation. And to get the more videos like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. Why? Because it is a part 3, part 1 and part 2 online tutoring jobs already are there in my YouTube channel. So if you want, you may search, guys. And part 4 video I will come up in the next, within the 2 days I will come up with the part 4 video regarding the online tutoring jobs also. So to get all these job notifications, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET exam, the free online classes are provided for the paper 1 as well as for the electronic science on the Unacademy platform, and the link I kept in the description box of this video, so you may check down, guys. And while coming to the paid courses are also available on the Unacademy to crack the UGC NET JRF. So here the 6 different types of courses are currently running on this one. The regarding this one, the details I kept in the description box of this video and the links also I kept, so please check down those. Coming to the present content of the video, so it is a recruitment that I want to show you here. Teachers for all subjects. The Smart Owl, Bengaluru, Karnataka, 50,000 rupees a month, full time, part time, the remote. Okay, so these are the things that they mentioned here. So we will see one by one details. I mean, it is the Indeed website, guys. So in the Indeed website as well as the Smart Owl official website. Okay, so I will show both these two. And so while coming to this one, the Smart Owl is an online edtech aggregator platform that connects the learners and the tutors. And for the learners, it is all about the compatibility and finding a teacher who teaches the way the child understands. And for the tutors, it is absolutely discovering the financial independence and creating a career that fits their life by using an easy learning management system tool and making teaching online easier. Fine. And what are the benefits of joining this Smart Owl is that gain access to learning management system tools to simplify the online teaching, sharing the assessments, scheduling the classes in your flexible timings, taking the evaluations as per your convenience, and earn your way to financial freedom by pricing your courses as per your decision. That means whatever the courses you are going to take, you can fix your own price for that one. And the Smart Owl learning management system aids in pricing your courses and making the transactions a seamless procedure, and opportunity to learn from our exclusive training modules that enable you to teach online and build your personal brand on the Smart Owl aggregator platform, and learn how to formulate your classes, assessments and evaluations, and build your brand identity with the Smart Owl access. And you may check down here, there is no registration fee, guys. Okay, and the role descriptions are also given here. So what are the roles you have to do, all these things. So engaging with the parents and provide them with feedback and reviews of the learners' work and create the different levels of assessment. Okay, and coming to the requirements, candidates must have a bachelor's degree or a diploma certificate or in the process of completion of their degree. That means if you are pursuing your graduation or else completed, then no problem, you may apply for this one. And the 5 years of experience teaching students and lesson planning or specialization in the subject you wish to teach. I mean, here they given as experience here, but in the official website I will show you the requirement. It is not mandatory. So these are the points given here. Okay, and coming to the emoluments also given here. So part-time hours, 8 hours per week you have to tell, and full-time, part-time, walk-in, and the salary is up to 50,000 rupees per month. And coming to the schedule, you can fix your flexible schedule. Fine, and the few more points are also mentioned here. And coming to the official website that I told you that I will show you the official website of this one. So it is a Smart Owl official website. So it is for learners and it is for educators. So before going to the educators, just have a look on this official website. Okay, just once. Fine. So these are all the things. So right now it is there in Kochi and Bangalore. Here the contact number as well as the mail IDs are also there. If you're having any queries regarding this one, you may contact through the provided contact number or else through the mail ID, guys. And coming to the educators, and I'm not going to provide this link in the description box of this video. Okay, so you just search out in the Google by typing the Smart Owl. Okay, Smart Owl, then you will be directed to this one. I mean, whatever the first one displaying on the screen, that is the Smart Owl. So go to the educators and click on here, become a tutor. Okay, and after clicking on that one, then you will be directed to here. So here apply now is there, and next the future is under your wings. So here some points are given, and know how this Smart Owl is going to work out to you. So you are going to learn the learning management system. So our LMS is more than just a virtual teaching platform. It provides the existing tutors a space to facilitate the online classes and fly with financial freedom and build your best route and create the tomorrow's leaders, right? And here also the point is mentioned that the Smart Owl for free, wherein don't charge a fee from the educators. Okay, so it is not going to charge a fee from the educators, and join our family to make all the difference for the education industry. And we welcome one and all. If you are okay, if you are a fresher and when you want to teach, then you may apply. Experienced teachers, you may apply. People who have the passion to teach, you may apply. Okay, so these are all the points that they mentioned. So if you want to join in this one, then click on the join and then type down all these things, join as a tutor. So tutor's name, email, contact number, and gender as well as date of birth, and select your state and how many years of experience are there. If you're a fresher, no problem, and education qualification. If you are about to finish your graduation, then no problem. Okay, select the board and university and age groups. Okay, what are the different age groups you want to teach? So class 6 to 8, 9 to 10, 10 to 12, or else the others. Okay, and if you want to write some description, you may write down here and upload your resume. Okay, so and you have to type down whatever the password you want to set up and then click on the sign up. Fine. So these are all the details that you have to fill up, guys. So enroll now to learn live online platform from the best teacher. So it is for the student actually, and it is for the educator. Fine. So these are all the complete details regarding this Smart Owl online tutoring portal. So if you are interested, then you may once visit this official website. If you want to clarify any of your queries, then here the contact number is also there. So contact to this number and clear all your queries and then start applying, guys. Okay. So please don't forget to share this video to your friends or colleagues if you feel it is a good one. And to get the more videos like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam from Unacademy side, here one announcement is following. If you are interested, you may listen. Otherwise, you may stop this video by here itself. Thank you. Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the National Eligibility Test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course, including the free online classes also, guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET. Means commerce and general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science and philosophy, tourism admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses, guys. Okay, and from each and every course you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there, guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge, okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF, guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself, I'm Ashwini Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as the general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free, guys, that anybody can able to access this one. And just click on the see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the, free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one, you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the plus subscriptions, you will get the, almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes, just as like the plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP, and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the iconic subscription. Okay, so while coming to the plus subscriptions, okay, we will see the different plans here. You may check down, guys, the different plans. For 1 month, 2,900, and for 3 months, 2,823, and for 6 months, okay, these are the charge per 1 month. And if you want to get the 6-month subscription plan, you have to pay 11,250, and for 12 months 13,750, and for 24 months 20,000. Okay, so depending upon your requirement, you may take any one of the subscription plan here. Okay, if you want the 3 months, or else if you want the 6 months, or else if you want the 12 months. Okay, so based upon when you are planning to write the exam, okay, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans here. And out of this different subscription plans, you will get some discount also. So it is my referral code ASWINIK. So use my referral code and then click on the apply and then proceed to pay. Then you will get the 10% discount on any one of these subscription plans. Okay. So the subscription link as well as my profile link, both these two I will put in the description box of this video, guys. You may check down. And apart from this one, the electronic science new batch course is already started from 12th May onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, and this course runs up to 3 months, guys. That means from May 12th to August 12th. So the complete UGC NET electronic science syllabus will be discussed here in detail by keeping in mind the previous year NTA UGC NET question papers also, which will be very much helpful for you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Okay, so already the previous batches, okay, so many candidates cracked the JRF, and a few candidates are getting the admission into the PhD admission in the IIT also. So you may check down my dedications in my profile link. So it is my profile link, and if you click on here the dedications, okay, you may check down. So all the students are very nicely satisfied, okay, regarding the teaching as well as their preparation. Fine. So you may check down here, guys. So by looking all these things and by looking at the special classes, that means which are free, that you may check down, okay, how the classes are going on and how the live interaction will be. Okay, so based upon all these things, you may decide. And please take the subscription plan, guys, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Fine.